What if eternal life is within reach, but someone, or something, is keeping it from us? Picture this. Humanity has unlocked the secret to immortality, yet a hidden force, perhaps elites, aliens, or universal laws, prohibits it. It sounds like a gripping sci-fi tale, but what if this is the suppressed truth of our existence? Could everlasting life be possible, only to be withheld by those who dictate our destiny? Today, we'll explore the staggering theory that immortality is banned, reveal haunting evidence, and uncover who might be orchestrating this control. Stay alert. This could transform how you view life and death forever. Let's start with a question that upends our reality. What if immortality is achievable, but it's been intentionally outlawed? The forbidden eternity hypothesis claims humans could live forever through scientific breakthroughs, ancient wisdom, or cosmic gifts, but a powerful entity or group blocks it. This could be to maintain power, conserve resources, or enforce a cosmic mandate. From ancient legends to modern science, evidence suggests eternal life is real but restricted. Why are we kept mortal? Are we pieces in a larger game? Let's dive into the clues behind this life-changing concept. Ancient writings ignite curiosity. 4,000 years ago, Sumerian texts spoke of life gods offering eternal existence, only to deny it to humans. In 1970, a researcher proposed these tales hint at a real technology concealed by ancient leaders. Could myths of the Fountain of Youth, explored in 2005, encode a forbidden secret? Greek legends add intrigue. 3,000 years ago, stories of ambrosia, a divine elixir for immortality, suggested a guarded truth. In 1980, a scholar argued these were cautions from an advanced society about defying mortality. Why else would deities punish humans for chasing eternal life? Modern science raises questions. In 1990, a geneticist found telomeres, DNA components linked to aging, could be altered to prolong life. In 2015, a study showed cells can be reprogrammed to remain youthful, yet research funding mysteriously dried up. Is someone halting progress? Conspiracy theories dive deep. In 1975, a supposed leaked report from a covert group claimed immortality technology exists, but is reserved for a select elite. In 2000, a theorist suggested world leaders use secret treatments to live for centuries, ruling from the shadows. Are the powerful already immortal? Biological evidence is striking. In 1980, scientists discovered the immortal jellyfish, a creature that regenerates indefinitely. In 2010, a biologist noted humans share similar genetic mechanisms, but they're deactivated. Why would nature equip us for eternity, only to cap it? Ancient practices raise suspicion. In 1970, Egyptian tombs revealed texts about eternal ceremonies, implying pharaohs accessed immortality. In 2012, an archaeologist suggested these were hidden by later rulers to maintain control. Why suppress rituals unless they were effective? The extraterrestrial angle is bold. In 1980, a UFO expert claimed aliens shared immortality tech with humans, only to later ban it to avoid overpopulation. In 2020, odd signals near biotech facilities surged, as if aliens were overseeing our efforts. Are they enforcing a universal rule? The motive is crucial. Why prohibit immortality? In 1995, an anthropologist proposed elites hide it to preserve social hierarchies, as eternal life would disrupt economies. Alternatively, it might be cosmic. In 2008, a theorist suggested a universal law bans immortality to maintain cosmic balance. Cultural trends are revealing. In 1960, global myth spoke of forbidden fruits granting eternal life, protected by divine guardians. In 2015, a sociologist noted rituals worldwide aimed at accepting death, as if humanity fears violating a taboo. Are we programmed to embrace mortality? Scientific mysteries stack up. In 2000, a study found human stem cells could theoretically regenerate endlessly, but an unknown process stops them. In 2017, a lab extended mouse lifespans significantly, only to face abrupt closures. Why derail such discoveries? Historical gaps are curious. In 1970, records of alchemical groups disappeared, despite claims of life-extending potions. In 2010, a scholar found censored texts suggesting longevity formulas erased by unknown powers. Why destroy evidence of eternal life? Psychological clues are haunting. In 1980, a psychologist observed humans have a unique yearning for immortality, unlike other species. In 2009, a study showed meditation sparks visions of timeless worlds, as if we recall a lost potential. Are we built for eternity? Skeptics reject the theory. In 1990, a biologist insisted aging is inevitable, with no evidence of suppression. Yet questions linger. In 2011, a geneticist admitted science can't explain why certain longevity genes are inactive. Why the biological barrier? The Fermi paradox ties in. If aliens exist, why no contact? In 2006, a theorist proposed they avoid us because we're a mortal test, denied immortality to study our endurance. In 2022, strange signals during longevity experiments suggested external monitoring. Are we under cosmic supervision? How could this ban function? Some claim elites hoard secret technology. In 1995, a patent for cellular rejuvenation emerged, linked to hidden projects. Others point to sabotage. In 2019, a whistleblower claimed biotech companies are pressured to abandon immortality research. Who's enforcing the restriction? Environmental hints are compelling. In 1970, scientists found ancient trees living millennia, sharing genetic traits with humans. In 2014, a study showed human organs could theoretically self-repair forever, yet they don't. Why does nature hint at immortality? Ancient knowledge adds depth. 5,000 years ago, Chinese texts described elixir pearls for endless life, guarded by emperors. In 1985, a linguist suggested these were real formulas, buried by later rulers. Why do ancient societies point to forbidden longevity? The psychological impact is profound. In 1990, a therapist noted patients dream of unending lives without cultural prompts. In 2020, meditation groups reported visions of eternal beings, as if accessing a suppressed truth. Are we haunted by what's withheld? Skeptics argue immortality is a myth. In 1980, a scientist claimed aging is unavoidable, with no hidden technology, but doubts persist. In 2012, a researcher admitted unexplained halts in anti-aging studies suggest interference. Why the obstacles? The evidence is captivating. Legends, science, and history suggest immortality might be real but prohibited, though the reason remains murky. In 2020, a theorist urged examining ancient texts for answers, warning ignorance keeps us trapped. If eternal life exists, history holds the clues. What's next? Some demand exposing biotech secrets. Others call for uncovering suppressed texts. If immortality is banned, we must find the truth. Will you spot the signs before it's too late? If you're hooked on mysteries that unravel existence, if you seek truths that redefine reality, this is your place. Hit like, subscribe, and share this with friends. Join our quest for answers. Next time, we'll dive into another enigma that'll leave you stunned. Stay curious, truth seekers.